Writing documents can be a pain sometimes, especially when you have to stay consistent, stay clear, and avoid making mistakes. But guess what? You can make this easier with the power of AI, yet again with Grammarly. Grammarly can help you avoid errors, can improve your style and tone improvement, enhance your productivity, make you stay consistent, and also, does a lot of learning and improvement through detailed explanations and suggestions. How can you actually get to use Grammarly on your PC? In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you a few simple steps which you need to follow to be able to get Grammarly onto your PC and enhance your writing. Follow these few steps. In just about 10 minutes, you can get Grammarly onto your PC. So here's what to do for the browser extension. Go to the Grammarly website and download the browser extension compatible with your preferred browser. For example, if you use Chrome or Firefox or Edge. Next, follow the installation prompts and add Grammarly to your browser. Now, if you want to get Microsoft Office integration, then visit the Microsoft Office store and download the Grammarly add-on for Microsoft Word and Outlook. Install the add-on and follow the setup instructions to integrate Grammarly with your Office application. So now that you have Grammarly installed on your device, all you need to do is restart your browser and enable the icon. Once you go to your extensions, you can enable the Grammarly extension if it's not already enabled, and then click on the icon to open Grammarly. So Grammarly automatically attaches itself to most of the writing platforms, especially if you are working with your browser. So with Microsoft Word, Google Docs, and inside of your web browser, if you open your mail, for instance, if you open Google Mail within your browser, Grammarly should be able to start running automatically. Open a writing platform, just like I've said, Microsoft Word, Google Docs, or a web browser, and activate Grammarly by clicking on the Grammarly icon in the toolbar. Explore the Grammarly interface, including the editor, the assistant, and the Insight tab. Now, here's where the real power lies. Grammarly is able to give you real-time suggestions. Type a sample sentence or paragraph to see Grammarly's real-time suggestions for improvements. Then you can review, accept, or reject Grammarly's suggestions as based on your writing preference. Now, here's what to do to use the writing assistant effectively. Write a short package or email or draft in your preferred writing platform. Activate Grammarly to check for errors and suggestions. Use Grammarly's feedback to revise and improve your writing. You can also explore Grammarly settings to customize your preferences such as the language, the tone, and writing goals. So are you writing a formal letter or you're writing something that is more casual? You can change and customize the preferences such as the language and the tone and the writing goals. Grammarly also has some premium features such as the plagiarism checker and advanced style suggestions. But even the basic features are very good for just basic corrections, changing your tone, enhancing your clarity. You can do all that without paying a premium. So yes, we encourage our community to try out Grammarly if you're not already using it. You can use it to just enhance your writing. It will improve your professionalism and also enhance the quality of your work. Try Grammarly out and let me know what you think about it in the comment section.